Right, I've picked up some Meguiar's black plastic restorer. Let's see how good it is at restoring plastic. Got all these black plastic pieces from my Porsche Boxster, along with a few bits on the car as well. And I want to see if the Meguiars can sort them out and get them looking brand new again. In the instructions, you lift the plastic here. They're actually inside, which is quite cool. The instructions are pretty simple. Apply a small amount on a microfiber cloth, apply evenly on desired areas, and then wipe off the excess. It said it could need 2 to 3 applications for neglected areas, so let's see how we go. A couple of my pieces have a little bit of overspray. I've already wiped this off partly. The Meguiar's isn't going to tint that black. It's not going to fix that. So you need to get off any contaminants, any overspray, anything that isn't just black plastic won't work. So I'm just going to spray it down and then scrub it with a gentle brush. And that should just get rid of anything that I don't want to be on there. Got rid of most of it, so let's take it outside, pressure wash it, clean the rest of the stuff off.
If you don't have a pressure washer, you can use a sponge and some soapy water to clean up the plastic, and then pour some water on top to get rid of the dirt. Pressure washer is easier and it's faster, but not necessary.
Okay, so I've got all my different pieces. So these ones look pretty much the same. They're original pieces from the car, same age, made pretty much the same time. So that's going to be a good comparison. This one is going to be the interesting one because there's a lot of stuff on it and a lot of gunk and stuff that isn't black. And I wonder if it's going to make that look any better or if I'm going to have to clean that off. So that'll be a good test. And this is going to be my control piece. So I've split it up into 4 sections. Tape is cutting in half and this line here. So this will be nothing. 1 application, 2, 3, and we'll see what the difference is. I think it's going to look pretty crazy by the 3rd one, so it'll be interesting to see what that does. So all I need to do is apply a small amount to a microfiber cloth, wipe it on evenly, and then wipe off the excess. Shake it up first as well. Probably be enough. All right, so that's nothing, so don't do it there. That's number 1. Oh, already looking way deeper, looking pretty good. So I also need to apply it to here and here, and then the next time I'll apply it to here and here, and the last time I'll apply it to there. Yeah, initial impressions, if it stays looking this moisturized, then that's pretty good. Be pretty happy with that already. So here we can do another comparison, bigger bits. I'm just gonna do the whole piece. I'm just gonna go over everything. Cool, nice and even, and then wipe off the excess. There we go. It does look better, but I think just giving these parts a clean has made them look a lot better. So let's let it cure, see what we get. So this one has seen sunlight, so that's going to be really interesting. All right, are we ready? Oh, that's so much better. Look at that. It's gone from grey to maybe like dark grey, but that looks really good now. It looks a lot better than it did. This is my favorite piece so far. There as well. See, that's really faded. Oh, okay, yeah, looking good. Okay, so it's been over an hour, and this is looking nice and shiny now. Still a little bit oily and slick, but that's fine. I think we're good to go for a second layer. So I'm gonna grab my cloth again, some of this, just go again. And we'll come back to our little experiment. So remember, nothing, 1 layer, 2 layers, wipe it on, wipe it off. Okay, let's let that sit for an hour. Let's hit up that last coat. So let's see what we've got. Wow, okay. That is a pretty big difference. I think that kind of says it all really. So obviously with nothing, pretty rough. With some already looking pretty good. With 2 coats, it looks great. 3 coats, not seeing much difference between 2 and 3. So I'd say for most applications, 2 coats is going to be absolutely fine. But for anything that's a little bit more worn, you want to be putting on 3 coats just to make sure it's looking super fresh and brand new. So I'm going to tidy this up, then we're going to chuck it on the car and we're going to see what it looks like.
And there you have it. This is looking absolutely amazing. With a couple of coats, this has come out really, really nice. Now, it won't fix scratches or physical imperfections, but it will make plastic look brand new again. The only issue is it makes the rest of the plastic on my car look terrible, so I'm gonna have to put some on there too. The comparison between treated and non-treated plastic is pretty crazy.
And there you go, Meguiar's black plastic restorer. Absolute yes from me. It works great, brings that plastic up to brand new, and yeah, really easy. Couple of coats and you're good to go. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out some of my other videos. They're really great, you'll probably love them. Right, catch you on the next one. Bye.